Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Whisk and Midjourney. Google Whisk is an image tool from Google that helps you make new pictures using tags and your own photos. You can upload 3 images, one for the subject, one for the background, and one for the style. Whisk mixes them together to create a new image that matches your idea. It also has a precise mode, which helps keep small details like faces or certain objects clear while changing other parts. It's simple to use and doesn't need long or tricky prompts. Whisk is also connected with Veo 3, which can turn some of your images into short video clips. It's great for people who want quick, realistic results without spending too much time learning how to use it. Midjourney works a bit differently. You type what you want to see in words, and it creates an image from your description. It's known for making very creative, artistic, and detailed pictures. Many people use it to make fantasy art, posters, and digital designs. It gives you a lot of control over the final image. But it takes time to learn how to write the right prompts. The better your prompt, the better your results. Midjourney images often look more realistic or dramatic, while Whisk pictures look more realistic. If you want to make simple and clear images fast, Whisk is easier and more beginner-friendly. It's also more predictable because you can guide it using your own photos, but if you want creative, artistic, or fantasy-style pictures, Midjourney is the better option since it gives you more control and unique designs. Overall, Whisk is better for realistic and easy image creation, while Midjourney is better for artistic and imaginative visuals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.